Hi there everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix problems associated with whether your printer isn't functioning or functioning properly. If the printer itself is fine, more often than not the issue is with the printer drivers. Now a driver is essentially a communication conduit between the hardware device, in this case, and your computer. And when a driver is out of date, it's corrupt, missing, the communication process breaks down, and then the device will not function properly because it can't communicate with the computer. So to fix this problem, what you have to do is download the correct printer drivers. Now this is actually harder than it sounds to do manually. Not only can it be difficult to track down the correct printer drivers, but if you're not a computer expert, sometimes it can be hard to match your system specifications with the correct driver. You don't want to download drivers that aren't meant for your system because that's just going to cause more problems than you started with. So the best is to actually use software which will access a database of millions of drivers and then take a snapshot of your system and match the drivers to your specific system specifications. So what we'll do here is go to the website www.driver-update-software.com, and this is going to take us to a website where we will have a free scan with driver update software through here, and you're just going to save the file. Now I already actually have this file installed, so I'm not going to save it and install it now. And here is the software. Now as soon as you open it, the first thing it does is identifies your machine. Mine is a custom built machine, and here it just kind of says what it does. It automatically updates missing, out-of-date drivers, gives you access to a database of millions of different device drivers, gives customer support, all that jazz. And we're just gonna do a scan here, full system scan. And it scans our system for out-of-date drivers. And here are the results. As you can see, it breaks it down into a really easy to read format. It lists your drivers that are actually up to date, your devices that have no drivers, and your devices that have out of date drivers in the red. So essentially you're going to be focusing on the ones in the red and the ones in the yellow. So to update your printer drivers, you would just simply look for it on the list here. Now, I actually don't have a printer hooked up to this computer, so it's not listed by the software. But if I did have a printer and the drivers were out of date, you would just look for the red X and then click here, and it'll automatically download your driver. So that's really all there is to it. The whole process just takes a couple minutes. Simply visit the website www.driver-update-software.com or click the link over there in the description box to the right. Download the software, scan your computer, and you should be able to update your drivers fairly quickly. Alright, good luck to you. Bye.